Anytime you see this parentheses with a number out front, we're going to be distributing that parentheses. So I'm going to have 24 over 5 plus 4 over 5x equals 34, and I still have that 3 plus out front. 3 plus 24 fifths, that would be, 3 is the same thing as 15 fifths. And 15 fifths plus 24 fifths would be 39 fifths plus 4 fifths x equals 34. I'm going to subtract 39 fifths from both sides. So I have 4 fifths x equals, I need to change my 34 to something out of fifths. So that's, where did my pen go? 34 is the same thing as 170 fifths. So I'm going to do that minus the 39 fifths. And I wind up with 131 over 5. Now we multiply by the reciprocal. My 5's go away and I wind up with 131 over 4. And that is my answer.